Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials, an active star stable account, and the latest client. Once done, verify your character meets the level requirement and collect 5 basic supplies for the questline. Now launch the game and fast travel to Jorvik Stables. This places you next to the NPC who triggers the Dino Valley chain. Make sure to open your quest journal immediately and accept the Dino Valley lead quest so the next steps become available without delay. Continue by following the lead quest toward the cave entrance and complete the 2 escort mini-tasks that spawn en route. Once inside, solve the pressure puzzle. Place the 3 markers in the left-center-right order to unlock the inner gate. As you progress, handle patrols with hit-and-run tactics to conserve stamina and gather the Dino key fragment dropped by the last patrol. After that, return to the gate and assemble the fragments so the main unlock mechanism. For the final steps, assemble your Dino key fragments at the stone altar and insert the full key to trigger the access sequence into Dino Valley. Once the mechanism activates, speak with the Guardian NPC and complete the final dialogue choices to officially unlock the area, then step through the gate. If the unlock fails, relog and reset the quest, then reassemble fragments. If problems persist, clear the game cache and verify files, then retry the sequence to resolve sync or asset loading issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.